Good morning. Why is this up so much? Oh my god. Fucking wolf. I cut a bunch of positions, FYI. I sold my Rigetti just. I'm gonna try to short it today, I think. I'm gonna give it breaks, but down on the 30-minute EMAs. Yeah, I cut all my quantum though this morning. Uh, got my Joby and my Archer yesterday. Stopped out of my app, unfortunately. Probably gonna regret this one. Sold AI this morning. Sold AOI yesterday. Sold Soundhound yesterday. Just off the 30. Uh, damn, this one really went, huh? Could buy it here or here. I bought it here. What else did I sell? Yeah, I stopped out of ASTS, obviously. Sold my Rocket Lab and Lunar. Oh, yeah. I bought more MicroStrategy. I sold some Tesla. What else did I do? Oh, yeah, I sold VST on this day, like here-ish. Damn, Roblox, really gapping up so much. Oh yeah, I bought UMAC. That's right, that's what I did. I bought UMAC yesterday. And I'm probably gonna buy more. I sold my Wolf too, but I held everything else. I should be in the three best miners, right? Might try to buy Cooler, I don't know. What made me sell on my quantum names? It's just they're going. I didn't have much left. I was already taking a lot of profits. I only had like 2 to 3% of my account left in QBT, Rigetti, QBTS. Ion Q had just rejected this 35.9 level, right, close below the 10. I didn't like the PA. And well, these are going for blow off tops at this point. This is what I think. This is a blow off top. It needs more basing. I mean, it could still go another 20%. It might go to $10, but I want it out today. And it was pretty liquid pre-market. Like it traded, yeah, it was trading enough volume for me to get out pre-market. So most of the move is over, right? This is a great trade for me. I bought it from here, right? To like I sold it here, and then I bought it on this day and just sold the rest. I sold some here and here. The others, this is why I sold AI. It rejected this 48s, 50s level, right? And it tried to rally again, and it's just rejecting it. And then Lunar closed below the 20. I mean, Lunar, no. So it had the offering, and I was giving it some time, but this is a clear like breakdown in my opinion. It just needs more time now. Uh, I think it's going to be a buy through this 13 level at some point, but you can wait. Same with Rocket Lab. Space seems over for now. And honestly, so does and Joby had an offering, obviously, right? It's getting bought up now, but yeah, I don't know. I'm willing to rebuy this. I'm just gonna wait, though. I don't think that you need to rush back into these. Like most of the move is over for now. Same with Archer. Obviously this closed below the 20-day. I wanted to let it go. So yeah, I just think there's more money in some of these newer names. Like this, I was talking about this on stream this day, and I don't know if you guys remember. It just wasn't liquid enough on this day. On this day it was, and it's still a valid setup, right? I just didn't buy it. This is a beautiful setup here. Oh well. But yeah, I just think there's better opportunities. I think this will present a good setup soon. It's a little bit thin, but I don't know. This theme has legs. Well, this is the only one in the theme besides MP, right? This this China tariff trade or export ban trade. And then there's some other things going on like NOx, RX that I like, but these have time. And there's some rotation into, I don't know, like plug and charge point was showing up on my daily scans. I don't know if you need to get into these. I hate this stock, but maybe something like QS eventually can make a move. This is a nice setup if you have a small account. And so is this work sport. This is the one with the Ripple treasury. I wouldn't bet much on this, even if you have a small account. Just keep it on watch. I got stopped on my SMCI, of course. Yeah, it sucks. I got stopped on China names. Obviously, I got stopped yesterday. Just got fucking raped on these. So annoying. Dude, I don't even know what to say. I mean, it's just like I fell just over and over again, but at least I didn't do any size. It's just like I bought three names. I bought XPav, Futu, and Tiger, but it is what it is. I think you have to try some small size. MVST might make a move. I don't know. Again, this is a pure squeeze. Lucid was making a move. Yeah. Anyway, so some rotation into EVs maybe. So do you guys remember what happened in you guys remember what happened with yeah, I'm in UMAC. If you guys remember what happened with space names, kind of when ASTS was blowing off, a bunch of these other space names started getting bids, right? So we might start to see the same, I'm hoping, with Tesla. As Tesla blows off over all-time highs, maybe we'll see the other EVs start to catch bids. But yeah, for the most part, I'm interested in things that haven't gone. I really hope this app doesn't go again. This would be. I think app is dead for now, though. I didn't take much profit on this in here, unfortunately. This got sent. This got yeeted on the news that it didn't get in the S&P 500. TikTok faces a ban. Oh God. And then stuff like Serve, I think this could make a move. This needs some more time. Congrats if you bought it on the $10 break, but otherwise this needs more time. And there's some like shitco AI names that are pretty thin, but they're making moves. Well, this is, I guess, liquid now. This one kind of trades like shit though. But yeah, United States Anti-Money Corporation. I like this. The idea for this is very good. This went from not trading any volume to being still pretty illiquid, but better. Then like certain ARC names, like Square, right? Roblox is an ARC name. Like these are looking good. Like these NASDAQ ARC names are pretty good. SPY has been leading for a while, right? Or through here, through September, SPY has been leading. NASDAQ was lagging. Maybe NASDAQ starts leading now. IWM is still dog shit because regionals and biotech don't want to move. But ARC is now a thing again, right? Remember how people were saying that ARC was like irrelevant now? Well, it's not. Anyway, what is this again? This is another Shiko semi name. Yeah, dog shit stock, dude. Stitch Fix. Oh, this is an old classic. I don't like this stock though either. I'm sorry, there's an E. What? Why is AVGO going up though? Surely Brabham got some news, right? No? Apple. They're working with Apple on something. Okay, that's it. Apple is developing with Broadcom the first server chip specifically designed for AI. Good luck, guys. Oh yeah, obviously CPI print. I forgot to mention. That's why everything's gapping up, obviously, right? In line. For the most part, in line, right? Yeah, yeah, all in line. Okay. Anyway, look. Hymns. Okay, I'm gonna sell my hymns probably. Yeah, Rocket Lab. Yep, these are all breaking down. Wow, look at me. I made all the right decisions. Who would have guessed? Except for cutting app, maybe. I don't want to rebuy this. This might need another day or two, honestly. Let's see. I have a starter. Not big. Rigetti short. Yep, 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 yep. Come on. Let's get it before it halts. Just a taste. May not be a good idea. Let's see. Please don't be a bad idea on this. Okay. Thinking about shorting it pre-market here. I just couldn't do it. Let's put a hard stop in. Maybe a bad idea. It might be premature on this short. I think there's gonna be dip buyers today. Let's get out of it. Let's cut it. Actually, let's not cut it. Let's just give it till 8. It's not that big size. I don't know. I'm gonna give this, it's not, I don't have big size, but I'm gonna give it till like $8 probably. I'll give this till $29. Oh, it's falling, yeah. I'm not gonna add though. I don't really want to. Similar, do I have to cut this piece of shit? Dude, my micro strategy? Yes. Not gonna lie, I have pretty big size on this now. What's the coin at? What's coin doing? Got a BBAI. Hymns, I'm probably gonna sell it today. Oh no, that's not what I wanted. I want the hive here. I think all the noobs got to be shaking out crypto names by now, right? Okay, yeah, good, good. So annoying. UMAC, it's not ideal. Let's see. No, no, this is fine. This is better actually. Uh, yep, cutting this was the right choice. Look at this. Who would have guessed, guys? Saving myself some more grief today. And the Rigetti short is working too, huh? Yes, it is. Yeah, I guess you could have added a VWAP. Huh? Soundhound. I'm not gonna short this, but it's going for the 10-day now. Is this gonna be a short? Palantir getting some, might be getting sold. This gap up, sell down. Okay, at least app isn't moving anywhere. Bit dear, really? I have so little left of this. Should I short this? Nah, I'm not gonna short it. I think you have to short it on like, yeah, like up here. I don't want to do it. No, it's more risky. Palantir, fuck it, let's just cut it. Okay. Yeah, all the scrubs shaken out of it already. Fucking owned. Actually, I'll keep watching this just because it's an important name. Why are you bag holding? I don't want to hear about your bag holding, dude. Just deal with it. Just cut your bag. This is not the. Oh, never mind. Oh, that's what Lace is. Yeah, that's right. This is the quantum computing name. Oh, that's where I've heard this name before, but yeah, new blood, I guess. Yeah, this one, unfortunately, I bought it on Friday and I just sold it because it closed pretty shitty. I sold it like here when I was losing VWAP, and then I didn't rebuy it yesterday, which was the buy level was $18, right? So, or 18 was the last place you should have bought it. Uh, but it's okay. I'm not mad. I am mad. My Rigetti, it's running again. They do be buying the dip. Are you kidding me? That's crazy. Uh, dude, Rigetti, don't fuck me. All right, Rigetti. I'll just have a hard stop at $8. It's fine. I guess you. Ugh. Why would I short the strongest one? Why didn't I short one of these other ones? Like Ion Q, I should have shorted. Ugh. Where's the 20-day on this? It's just venting. It's like if you know The Sopranos. He says that a few times. All right, look at that ripples moving. When would I short it Ion Q today? Or or uh or here. Rejection yesterday of this major level, right? This is a big double top. Sometimes this setup doesn't work. Like double top here got shaken out, but then it worked, right? Like you saw it with ARM too. Double top attempt, and then pushes higher, then it breaks down, right? This one had a nice head and shoulders and double top short setup. You could wait for it to lose the 20-day. Like honestly, you could short it. You might still be able to short this. Lose the 20, make the money. Shout out PP Wish. But yeah, I'm not really particularly good at shorting. It's just FYI. Yeah, just keep that in mind. But there's things you can look for, like breaking down on the 30-minute, losing when this turns red, right? When this band turns red. And you can see how it gets sold up here, and then people buy the dip, right? And then it tries again, gets sold. And now it doesn't mean it's done, but it feels like it needs a 10-day, right? And you see how back here, right? It wasn't making higher lows, but it was making lower highs, right? And then That's what you're looking for. Oh, cattle. Did I trade this? I might have traded this. I don't remember. I think I traded this one. Stitch Fix EP. Yeah, I kind of hate this stock. Does it have a good level? Does it trend well? I guess it trended well a little bit here. Is it liquid? No. Most of the time it trades like $6 million volume. Yeah, I don't like it at all. But good luck. You guys gotta understand, I need liquidity. No man, my positions are here. I sold comp back here. I was in it up here, dude. I haven't been in this in a while. Or no, I bought it here and I sold it here. Anyway, it doesn't look bad though, you're right. I just I'm in Zillow. Zillow has been the better real estate trade. This is not as good. Is ALAB doing something bad? I'm not gonna sell this yet. I don't have big position. Yeah, these are my positions, guys. Come on. Come on. I know the last few days I've had 30 plus positions. It was hard to see all of them. Maybe you had an excuse to not know what they are, but now they're all visible. Now I only have 17 positions. Anyway, if so, like I just got a Ripple alert. If this starts moving, I streamed on Monday, guys. What are you talking about? Didn't I stream on Monday? Did I not stream on Monday? I haven't been streaming every day, but I've been streaming a few days a week, you know. Oh shit, I didn't publish these ones. My bad. I forgot to publish these December 9th and December. No, I streamed both days. I didn't publish them. I'll publish them. I forgot to name and publish them. That's what I did. I streamed on the 9th and I streamed on the 11th. I streamed or no, sorry. The 9th is Monday. Yeah, yeah. I didn't publish that one. Today's the 11th. Uh, what should I title this Monday stream? I'll just call it Moderate Rebels, if you know the reference. Oh yeah, China bait. I know, I'll just call it. No, I streamed on Monday. I'll just I don't know if I forgot what I traded that day. I don't think I did any new longs. That was a pullback day. Anyway, today yeah, I'll publish today's later. But look on my I streamed on the 9th, I swear to God. I streamed for like 50 minutes on the 9th. Anyway, I was looking at I was gonna find is the news here? Okay, here we go. I'm not like excited about this stock, but you know, I'm just it's 380 yard. Normally it trades like around 3, but you just never know. Sometimes they can accelerate, right? Like with the app. Yeah, that's what I meant. I didn't publish Mondays. I just published Mondays. I have to publish them for them to go on the playback. Go check if you check. I just published it. Anyway, maybe I'll buy Broadcom in the uh, IRA. It is in Palo Alto. Okay. Yeah, never mind. I don't really want to buy this yet. This is another one of these connectivity stocks, like similar to Lumen, right? Data infrastructure. Maybe this is what I need to maybe make a new playlist. I mean a new watch list. I might rename this something else later, but let's do. I don't know what else is in this. I'll figure it out later. Lumen is dead for now, though. I'll unflag it and remove it from. This is 6 billion. It's a large cap. Oh yeah, good. Rigetti, I'm in the money again. Okay, cool. I think I can go down to 10 day if you're willing to hold it far. But yeah, look at this. This is okay, cool. I'm pretty confident about this short now. I'm gonna add a little bit, maybe in a bit. Oh nice, my MSTR position. Really carrying my port today. I love this kind of thing where just a fake breakout, then a breakdown, then a failed breakdown. And yeah, you guys are right. It happened in Bitcoin, right? So initial liquidation. This was the big liquidation on this day. All the leveraged. So like people got super leveraged long here, and then they all got demolished here. So funny, so funny. And now it's going without them. Nice, nice. This is also dying. Quantum is dead for now. The rich must mock the poor. It's not enough that I should win, right? Other people should lose. Maybe I could have bought this today. Oh, this is just so thin. Yeah, Ion Q. Should I short it? No, I don't know if I want to waste buying power on this. I'm not going to chase the short here. I guess you have to. I'll wait till it bounces, but lose the 20, make the money. You know what? I am going to short just a tiny amount, just just to track it, like 1% of account. I've been in Coinbase full since like when did I buy? I bought it here, I think, and then I bought more here and here, or just here, I forget, and I just held it. I didn't get stopped out here. I've been full position, full size for a while. Initially, I bought it here and got stopped out here at first. But did I buy it here? I think I bought it here and here. I bought it here and here, and I got stopped out, and then but honestly, I don't remember. But because my new wash average, because my new average is not my true average. My new average is like 314. That's a wash sale average. Uh, actually no, that should yeah, I think that's wash sale. So yeah. Anyway, like my MSTR average is like 381, but that's also wash sale from I think that I don't know. I don't know. Oh damn, we're getting really dying. Did I short BBA? No, no, no. These are my positions, guys. Up here. Up here are my positions. If it's not up here, I'm not in it. I only shorted these two. And I just, okay, MVST. How much is this trade on the reg? This is pretty thin, right? Do I have to buy this though? Hmm. Do I have to buy this? Do I have to buy this? No, I don't want to buy this. It's still kind of thin, but on the big days it trades good volume. Yeah, QMCO. And one by one, they're all dying. So the Google news, I don't know if you guys saw it, but Google had big news. So this might have signaled the top kind of a thing. Oh yeah, I'm sure it might be, but it doesn't matter if the news is fluff or not. I think that this is maybe a sell signal, right? For normies. I'm not an engineer. I don't know. Someone else tell me what the if this is a real like fungus is an engineer. Maybe some yeah. Hold on. Let me just I'll check the link in a sec. I don't want to read this, but yeah, I totally believe you if you say it's fluffed. Right, right. Cool. Great. More breakthroughs, yay. Science, cool, whatever. I'd rather not the United States, because Google, if Google gets this tech, that means the U.S. government will, and that means, the jihadi terrorists in Syria will have it. You guys seeing all these fucking videos out, by the way? There's just gruesome ass videos of just summary executions by the American and Israel-backed terrorists in Syria. It's fucking insane. This is what yeah, they're whitewashing. They've been doing this for years though. They were doing this in like during the Obama regime or administration, whatever the fuck you want to call it. You remember they made the whole movie about the white helmets and stuff? Those are the same rebels. That's just ISIS rebranded. So these are the same guys now that they were. And yeah, they're calling like I've seen these headlines like the jihadists who wants a diverse it's some shit like that. It's just insane. How one freedom fighter went from wearing from jihad to wearing blazers, blah 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 blah. It's moderate rebels all over again. But yeah, it's because American capital gets to suck up all the country's resources now. Anyway, yeah, I think the good news is like so if you were talking about this I remember I was talking about this with some people who in 2018 and they were like just somehow really upset that I was even saying things like this. But now it's more obvious. But the truth is, the United States is the world's biggest sponsor of terrorism, not just through the CIA, but through actual jihadi terrorists too. Oh yeah, the other thing is like all these videos of the Salafi Uyghur terrorists from China also going over to Syria to fight. Oh, turns out China wasn't lying about they're being fucking terrorists in the West, and they didn't, instead of bombing the shit out of them, they actually gave them education. Who knows? Who would have thought? It's just like it's just insane. It's so difficult being right all the time. That's the true burden of a communist. We just right all the fucking time. Anyway, fuck America. Fuck Joe Biden. Yeah, the burden of being correct. Really learning trading. How so? Because I sort of agree. Trading has helped see some things in different ways, but also I was kind of just learning about this stuff before trading too. Do I really want to keep this? Maybe I can't. Oh, I don't really like how the spread is 6 cents. Hmm. Yeah, it's okay. I'm gonna keep it. I should cover some Rigetti probably. In case it bounces here. You see where the wealth is flowing and how it needs to feed itself and needs to grow. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely true. Dude, I think I might have to rebuy this. If app breaks highs, I'm gonna rebuy it. Right. Uh, this is apps, so it's worth a shot, right? On the 20-day. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Fine, 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 fine. Don't make me regret this. I don't think I will though. Let's set a early alert. Yeah, I'm just gonna cover. I only had small size. I feel like this is gonna bounce. But let's set an alert. Right, time to check up on UMAC really? Let's go. I've been in this for a while. I started buying it here, November 27th. I added here, and then I bought more yesterday, and I didn't buy more today, but I bought here, here, end of day yesterday. Man, I don't want to cut my starter, but might have to. We'll see. If it breaks below yesterday's lows, I'm gonna cut my starter, I think. Uranium names just need more time, obviously. I think after also, right, here's what happened. Oklo got offering, tried to reclaim these, and then it rejected 25s again, right? It just constantly rejects this 25 level. Tries to get higher, reject, 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 reject. After finding support here, it's gonna base between these two levels. But uranium, okay, uranium is not, the whole sector kind of trends together, but these small modular reactors are one part, right? Um, these three names are together. This had the news, I forget what news it had here. Yeah, U.S. Energy, this news, and then it couldn't make it past this 25 level. I bought it here, sold it here, tried it here, stopped out. I think I tried it again here, stopped out. And then obviously VST, I bought it. I bought it here and here. Stopped out here. This was a flag. It broke down. Right, this is the utilities. This flag again, it broke down. The alternative energy names were looking good for a second here, like this low enriched uranium trade. But like at this point, it's one leg, two leg, right, third leg. It's kind of cooked. The miners also tried to break out to highs and they got cooked. But the miners, I don't like these as much in general. I just think these kind of trade like dog shit. Like actually, I'm gonna take this one off. I don't like these. Some of these, like Mirion, looks good, but this is like I think this has other things going for it. Same with like General Electric, right? And TLN might have other things going for it. I don't know though. NRG, yeah, this one's not as good either. Oh, I shouldn't have covered IonQ, I guess. It's okay. I'm not mad. Oh yeah, ASPI got a short report. I bought this here and here. Got stopped. Fuzzy Panda. I got stopped from this, I think. Like this is a. I think overall quote unquote activist short sellers are bullshit though. Yeah, Rigetti, spaghetti. I mean, with this, I think that And I think it's kind of obvious, but I gotta cut this. Yeah, let's cut it. I'll rebuy it higher if needed. I can't stand to. I can't get slipped on this. I'll get slipped hard. And it looks like it wants to. It's just getting sold at right under 10. I'll wait till I'll buy it after $10, I think. Ooh, but yeah, these are all still intact. These setups, they just need time. This cooler and this UMAC, they're quite good. All right, guys, I'm gonna cut the stream today.